Cherissa. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is me packing for college, so let's get to it. Also, this video is in partnership with Sashka Co. Let's get pack-a-whack-a-whacking. Okay, so on my bed I have all the clothes that I laid out that I want to take back to school. Obviously, all of these clothes aren't coming this time because I won't have the space, and some of them I don't need until the winter. But I also have a lot of clothes down there, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring clothes and just exchange them out because I don't think I'm going to wear the clothes that are down there. I also need to go through this chair and this chair, and I think this laundry basket is just staying at home. I don't think that's coming back to school, and I have to figure out what's happening with this. But let's get started packing. Okay, so here's some stuff that I have laid out for college. Obviously, like, these are my school supplies, so those are going to go in my carry-on. And all of this is dorm decor that I need to pack up. Here's a duffel. Here are also some boxes because I have to ship some stuff back to campus. So let's get to packing ASAP. much to Sashka Co for sending me a beautiful bracelet and partnering with me on today's video. This company makes beautiful bracelets. I was so excited when they reached out to me and I wanted to learn more about their company. The bracelets on Sashka Co are handcrafted in Nepal. Sashka Co also partners with a bunch of organizations in Nepal, and these organizations work on gender equality and women's empowerment, which this is really cool. I think this is really important, especially now. Sashka Co also donates a portion of their net sale to charities around the world. This is the bracelet I received. The bracelet comes in a cute keepsake pouch, and it comes with a note. Here's Sashka Co's logo, and here's the note, and the note says, "This bracelet was hand crocheted bead by bead by a skilled artisan in the Kathmandu Valley of Nepal." I hope I said that right. "Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade." Here's the bracelet. When I first got this bracelet, I was actually kind of concerned that it was going to be too small because I didn't think it would fit over my hand. But the nice thing about these bracelets is that they are designed to be rolled on, like so. And they actually fit very nicely, which this is good for people like me who have small wrists because I find it quite challenging to wear bracelets because they always fall off, but this one doesn't fall off. And again, it's so pretty as well. Make sure you check out Sashka Co's website. The link will be in the description box below. They have tons of cute bracelets from yellow to blues to blacks to red. Name a color, they probably have it. And even make sure you read more and see what the company does. Thank you so much to Sashka Co for partnering with me on this video and sending me this beautiful bracelet. I truly appreciate it. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And don't forget to comment and subscribe down below. You should totally subscribe if you're into college, fashion, lifestyle, and travel videos because I make all of those on my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye bye!